Hello, good morning students. Today we will start with new chapter of geography, that is 7th chapter, rocks and rocks type. Do it yourself. Observe the picture and answer the following questions. What is the hill in A made up of? What is being done in B? What do we see in C? Is there any relationship between the three things shown above? For what purpose do we use the things shown in A and C? From the hills, river beds, or the land in your vicinity, collect rock specimens of different types, shape, color, etc. Observe the rock specimen and note down the following. Place where the rock was found, color of the rock, spot on the rock and their color, weight of the rock, estimated heavy or light, that is it is heavy weight or light weighted rock, hardness of the rock, hard, brittle, medium, structure of the rock, porosity of the rock, porous and non-porous. Children, meaning of porous and non-porous rock is, porous rock is little bit in round grains, have space and gap between them, and non-porous rock is tight fitting that water cannot enter inside that. So in porous rock there will be a little hole space, and non-porous will be very tight fit rock. And one more thing, students, rock means a large amount of huge stone which is built in various type of construction, and even you can see on the sea beaches and fort also. We have seen last year that the earth crust is hard. It is made up of rocks and soil. Rocks are found on land surface and also below it. Rocks are a mixture of different minerals formed by natural process. The property of rocks depend on the constituent minerals and their proportion, as well as formation process. Silica, aluminium, magnesium and iron are the major rock forming minerals. There are other minerals too in different rocks. Types of rocks. There are three types of rocks according to their formation process. Igneous rock, that is primary rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rock, when the molten material known as magma within the earth crust and lava on the surface cool down, it solidifies, give rise to rocks. These are known as igneous rock. As these rocks are formed out of the material from the interior of the earth, these are also referred to as the primary rocks. These are also referred to as primary rocks. Mostly, these rocks appear hard and homogeneous. These are heavy as well. We do not get fossils in the rocks. The Maharashtra Plateau and the Sahyadris are formed out of the igneous rocks. Basalt is the major example of igneous rock. Most of the hill forts in Maharashtra have lakes or elephant yards. Actually, these are old quarry sites. Rock was extracted from this site and used for the construction of fort and other buildings. In the pits and dugouts left behind after the rock extraction, water was allowed to accumulate and these lakes, tanks, etc. were created. So here in this picture you can see the lakes which is created below the fort. So here I am ending with this video. This is the part 1 video of this chapter. Next part will be uploaded in the next lecture. Thank you.